How many seemingly simple tasks do you think you completed today? I would guess between 1 to 200. Brushing your teeth, signing your name, even opening a bottle of water are all things most of us here could do without a second thought. But one of the most disabling symptoms people living with multiple sclerosis have to deal with is the rapid loss of muscle control, which can render even the simplest of tasks impossible. MS is an unpredictable disease that attacks the protective sheath covering the nerves of our central nervous system, which disrupts communication between the brain and body and ultimately turns them against each other. Doctors confirm a diagnosis of MS by taking an MRI of a person's brain, studying their image results, and identifying lesions in areas consistent with MS. Now, these lesions are actually areas of scar tissue resulting from a series of damage that has already occurred. This is the trouble traditional MRI methods pose for doctors. Their image results don't show the early stages of the disease, only the aftermath of it, which is causing these unpredictable symptoms. As with any disease, early detection is crucial for a patient's outcome. As a solution to this, I'm working on MRI methods that will be able to show the severity and type of damage present in a person's brain as a result of MS before it turns into these sometimes unrepairable lesions. To do this, an imaging study using 36 mice was held over 7 weeks. 18 of these mice were given a treatment that mimics the effects of MS in the human brain. 7 types of MR images, all sensitive to different tissue structures and content, were collected per mouse per week in order to get a precise understanding of the progressing damage. Correlations between numbers taken from these images and the actual damage in the brain found through examination of the excised brain tissue will increase the limited amount of information we can pull from one of these images. The symptoms that accompany MS range from person to person, day to day, and significantly impair quality of life. With greater knowledge on the complex process of damage occurring, treatments can be prescribed sooner to target and ideally stop that damage progression, which can improve quality of life and disease outcome. While a more predictable life may seem dull or boring to you and I, it's one of those things that's easily taken for granted. I hope this work will help get back predictability to those who've lost it to MS. Thank you.